Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Artistic Arc, where we explore creativity and art. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sketch and paint a delicious looking cheesecake with very limited art supply. For this project, I'm using a 140 GSM A5 size sketchbook, a black ballpoint pen, and Faber-Castell color pencils. The focus will be on color layering, and I'll walk you through each step so you can try it too. I started by sketching the basic outline with the ballpoint pen. Then I moved on to the first layer of color, keeping it light and transparent to build up layers later. Art doesn't demand expensive supply. A pencil, a pen. Sometimes that's all you need. For a young artist, there are a lot of budget-friendly options out there, and I'm not an advocate of buying a lot of expensive art supply without knowing your niche of art. Coming to this piece here, I have first blocked out parts with the parent color and then shaded the included areas with the respective colors. For the cherries, I've used red, pink, orange, and brown. Sketching personally for me is a release. It's cathartic. It's how I process emotions I can't put into words. Every line and shade helps me let go of stress and find peace. It's not just art, it's healing. I'm really happy with how the colors turned out here, especially the gradient and the red we have used here. Let me know what you think. For the cheese part, I started with skin shade, but found it to be a little too light. Then I went ahead with different shades of yellow. The tip here while using a single color is that we have to work against the grains of the paper from different angles, horizontally, vertically, and even in hatches, so that it saturates the paper well with the pigment. For the biscuit crust, I've used brown and then orange for the warmth. At the end, I went again with my black ballpoint pen and filled in the tiny details. I agree that watercolor, acrylic, or even gouache would have looked way better doing this piece, but I wanted to help even the young artists with limited supplies to come up with great art without burning hole in their pockets. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more art tutorials and time-lapse videos. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, take care and have a really great day. Bye-bye.